We just cut off the base and drilled a big hole in the bottom to let some air get in there. Yes, yes. Okay, let's drill the hole more. Yeah, we just used a chainsaw to cut off a big slab off the bottom. The bottom was getting a little rotten even though it was elevated. That's half of it there. Now we have two semicircles of lovely.
Well, this piece here, that's not really. I point it out to you, then you'll see it. But because of that, she's more precious.
She's unique, one of a kind. Like a snowflake. Looks good. Alright, Sister Scarface needs to have a necklace put on her cross. So we're just going to drill a couple of small holes in the side and glue the necklace into there. And there she is with her necklace intact. Praying for God's good grace. Okay, today's the big day, 5 years in the making. This is the bottom piece for what we affectionately call Sister Scarface, one of the Sisters of Providence that Pauline has been chainsaw carving for the past 5 years. Today is the day it gets transported to the hospital, and soon the big reveal. It's beautiful. All ready to go. Time to wrap it up. Well, sister, it's been wonderful having you in our family for the past 5 years, but now it's time for you to go to your new home, where you can be a blessing to many others.